In the last episode, I replaced real trail control arms on my wrecked 335, hoping it would finally fix the crooked wheel. But it still wasn't right. After taking a closer look, I found even more suspension damage hiding underneath. So in this video, I'm replacing everything that's bent, dialing the rear suspension, and making sure that this wheel finally sits perfectly straight again. Alright, so I got everything removed, and here's the damage on this control arm. We got ripped boot, and this is the other control arm that I didn't see yet. The bolt is bent and it damaged the seal that goes into the frame, so I'm gonna need to buy one of these and replace it. This one's damaged here, but it seems fine. So I got this boot from Mercedes. I had it, so I'm gonna see if I can fit it on here. Looks pretty similar. Alright, so we got another issue here. So the bolt that was bent also messed up the tread. So we're gonna have to make a new tread on here. So I'm gonna remove the rotor as well as the shield so we can access this hole right here. and we can make a new tread.